All right, let's open this thing up and see what we have. Now we got the handle, I believe. Bag. Supports for the bag. And of course the main unit itself. All right, these are your support legs. And you want to turn these with the finished side out and the unfinished side in. All right, you're going to need to use a rubber mallet to get these legs on, get them locked into place. If you don't have one, I strongly suggest you borrow one from your neighbor. I'm going to use my knee to brace it. There it goes. It's one down, one to go. You can see that the pole has the screws. Everything's wrapped together. These tubes are identical except, well, the position of the holes, and one has a cutout. So the one with the cutout is the one that goes into the unit first. And we push that into the unit until it stops. You can actually look down and see that the holes are aligned with the holes in the pipe. Next, we connect the connecting tube onto the tube that's mounted. You slide it on until the holes are aligned, which is where it'll stop. Stops properly aligned. And we'll install 2 screws. Then we repeat the process again with the upper handle, the upper tube, slide it in. It stops with the holes aligned. We insert 2 screws. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to slide the collar onto the pole. It's the collar with the hook facing toward the unit. Like so. Now we're going to install our handle onto the pipe. I flipped the unit over so that I can install the screws because they install underneath. on the bottom side of the pole. Next, we want to thread our C-shaped hoop through the bag catcher. You see where the lettering is. So this is the front. This is the front of our bag. And it says to make sure you've got equal amounts on both sides after you've threaded it through. And just like before, we want to have it coming all the way through until it stops right there. Now, after we've done that, we go to the final step for the bag assembly. They call this the handle, and it's already fully assembled. So you want to push both of your pipes into that until it stops. Right, they do. Sorry about the glitch in the video. You're going to snap the hoops into place, front and back, on the right side, the same as you did the left side. Now that the bag assembly is assembled, there's a clip that's on the front, and we want to slide that clip over the end of the, what they call the U-shaped hole. And push that on all the way down. There you go. Now that's snapped into place. So now your bag is fully assembled and ready to install. And finally, to install the bag assembly on the unit, we just go underneath. There's two clips, one on each end. And you just slide your holes over those clips. And then you move your slide back here. And you slide it forward until it snaps into place on the ring. And you got it fully assembled. And lastly, they say to adjust it so that the leaf sweepers, which are internal, you can see them if you turn it over. You want them so that they're barely touching the ground. So this is your adjustment. You loosen it up, and you can raise and lower the wheels in the assembly that way. And after you get it the height you want it, you tighten it. I hope this video helped you to see that it's not difficult to assemble. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. And if you like this video, please like and follow. Thank you.